Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to learn about nationalism in India, third part. First two part we have already completed. This is the third part. In the first part we have learned the First World War, Khilafat and non-cooperation movement. In it, the idea of Satyagraha, the Rowlatt Act, why non-cooperation movement, and for second topic is different stands with the movement, the movement with the movement in the town, the movement in the countryside, rebellion in the countryside. Then third one, the Swaraj in the plantation. Second topic is the Swaraj in the plantation. And next, now we are going to learn about the third topic, towards civil disobedience movement. Towards civil disobedience movement. As how the civil disobedience movement acted by the country people and leaders, merchant and everyone. Okay, so today we are going to learn the third part, towards civil disobedience movement. So the third topic, towards civil disobedience movement. So in 1921 he introduced the civil disobedience movement. After that, once again he call off because of the people attacked the police station and some other problems. So Gandhiji, February 1922, Mahatma Gandhi decided to withdraw the non-cooperation movement. What that? He withdraw the non-cooperation movement. He felt the movement was turning violent. I told you, no, he attacked the police station, some other government buildings, the people attacked. Because of the violent, what that? He withdraw the non-cooperation movement. A non-cooperation movement in many places, satyagrahis need to be properly trained. Some people are participated in satyagraha, but they are not properly trained. So Gandhiji want to give training to the satyagrahi people, satyagrahis. Okay, so ready to mass struggle within the Congress. Some leaders were by now tired of mass struggle and wanted to participate in election to the provincial council that had been set up. Government of India Act 1919. Government of India Act 1919. Election is happened. So many leaders also tired because of the movement. So many leaders also too tired because of the movement. Provincial means large area. Okay, like state Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Karnataka, state like Mahanam. Okay, so they want to contest in election. Because of that also they have given little gap. They felt that it was important oppose. British policies within the council, argue for reform and also demonstrate that these council were not truly democratic. So within Congress, what is that? Within Congress, the people ஒரு கட்சிக்குள்ளே அடிச்சுப்பாங்களா அதே போல தான் within Congress, young leaders and old leaders were fighting. Okay, so now C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru's father, C.R. Das one person, Motilal Nehru another person, and they formed a new party, ஒரு புது கட்சி ஆரம்பிக்கிறாங்க, new party. That name was Swaraj Party. One mark, note it, Swaraj Party within the Congress to argue for a return to council politics. So, but younger leader like Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose pressed for more radical. Radical means terrorism. Radical mass agitation for full independence. The old leaders are asking freedom for little by little, but a young leader like Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose, they are asking full freedom. In such situation of internal debate means ஒரே கட்சிக்குள்ள சண்டை போட்டுக்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, வாதம் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ இன்டர்னல் டிபேட் அண்ட் டிசென்ஷன் மீன்ஸ் கருத்து வேறுபாடு. They are not selecting the same idea. They are having different idea. Two factors again shaped Indian politics toward the late 1920s. In first was the effect of worldwide economic depression. because British controlled all over the world. Maximum of the countries ruled by British. On the time economic problem started because of First World War, because of 1914 to 1918. In this, because of the First World War, British British affected by economic depression. Agriculture prices, because of the British in India, agriculture prices also began to fall from 1926 to 19, more or less 5 year agriculture product, rice and some other wheat and some other things, they are not increasing the rate of price of the grains. Because of that, Indians cannot pay the tax as the demand agricultural goods fell in export decline. They are not export to foreign countries. Agriculture peasants found it difficult to sell their harvest. They are doing more harvest, but they cannot sell it. So they cannot pay the revenue. They cannot pay the revenue. அவங்க வித்தாதான வரி கட்ட முடியும். By 1930, the countryside was turmoil. Turmoil means I already told you. Turmoil. Okay. Muddle. குழப்பம். Okay. Against this background, so in the countryside full and full turmoil. Okay. Turmoil. So against this background, the new Tory government in Britain constituted statutory commission under Sir John Simon. Tory is one of the American colonists. They are helping British. By the help of that, Sir John Simon is coming to India. Set up in response to nationalist movement. To commission was look into functioning of the constitutional system in India and suggested change. They want to change some constitutional system in India. Changes. The problem was that the commission did not have single member. As if they are making any commission, if Indians are in the commission, they can say the grievances of Indians. நம்மளோட குறைகளை சொல்கிறதுக்கு நமக்கு ஒரு ஆள் தேவை. Yes, but if we are not in the commission, who will say the problems of India? So when the Simon Commission arrived in India in 1928, 1 mark, this is one of the 1 mark. Okay, coming to India, greeted with the slogan, "Go back, Simon. We are not accepted," because no one is in the Simon Commission. Yes, no Indians are in the Simon Commission, so we are not accepting that. All parties, including the Congress and the Muslim League, participate in the demonstration. All the people accept this, and in an effort to win the over, the Viceroy Lord Irwin announced in 1929 a vague offer, Dominion status. What is that? They are giving some privileges to India in an unspecified future, and a roundtable conference discuss a future constitution. They are telling roundtable conference. They are making totally 3 roundtable conference. Ambedkar only by Indian side, Ambedkar only participated in 3 roundtable conference also. Gandhiji only participated in 2nd roundtable conference. This did not satisfy the Congress leader. The radical within Congress, led by the radical fully done by Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose, become more assertive. Assertive means ரொம்ப பிடிவாதமாக இருக்காங்க. As more assertive, the liberals and moderate who were proposing constitutional system within the framework British Dominion gradually lost their influence. In 1929, under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru, the Lahore Congress formalized the demand of Purna Swaraj. 1929, they have planned to ask Purna Sudhantiram, Swaraj of full independence of India. It was declared to 26 January 1930. 26 January 1930. So now only we are celebrating that not Independent Day, so Republic Day, January 26th, Republic Day, would be celebrated as Independent Day when people were taken. First, they are celebrating Independent Day. Now, we are celebrating the same day as Republic Day. So, where they take bloods to struggle for complete independence, but the celebration attracted very little attention. Not all the people joined in it, little attention only. So Mahatma Gandhi had to find the way relate this abstract idea of freedom to more concrete issue everyday life. So because this is a small thing, but Gandhiji make a big plan. What is that? The next topic is the Salt March and the Civil Disobedience Movement. Salt March and the Civil Disobedience Movement. Mahatma Gandhi found in salt is powerful, simple, good, unite the nation because all the people are using rich, poor, every people are using salt. Without salt, they can't eat food. Okay, so they are using salt. Who use salt? Mahatma Gandhi take the problem of salt. On 31st January 1930, he sent a letter to Viceroy Irvin. He sent a letter to, yes, what is that? He is making 11 demand, 1 mark. He is making 11 demand. Some of these were of general interest. In the 11 demands, some demands are general interest. Other were specific demand, different classes from industrialist to peasant. So making demands. The idea was to make demands wide ranging because he want to unite all the people of India. All the one want to participate in independent war. So he is taking the problem of salt that all classes within Indian society could identify with them and everyone could be brought together in a united campaign. He want to unite all the people, everyone, all the people. So the most stirring disturbed of all was the demand to abolish salt tax. The British government salt tax, so he want to cancel the salt tax. Salt was something consumed use maximum of the rich people and poor people, everyone it is making. It was one of the most essential item of food. It is important. Without salt we can't eat anything. Okay, so the tax on salt and the government monopoly அவங்க இஷ்டத்துக்கு ஏதாவது பண்ணுறது. ஓகேவா? Over its production, Mahatma Gandhi declared revealed means show the most of oppressive phase of British rule. Yes, this is very very important. Okay, so Mahatma Gandhi letter was in a way ultimatum. Last, finally he sent the letter. If the demand were not fulfilled by 11th March, the letter started the Congress would launch the civil disobedience campaign. So now he is telling, if you are not accepted this 11 demands, we will make civil disobedience movement. Irvin unwilling to negotiate means pechuvarthe. Okay, so Irvin is unwilling to negotiate anything. So Mahatma Gandhi started his famous salt march accompanied by 78. So they are not giving any response, Irvin, to Gandhiji. So he 78 of his trusted volunteer Gandhiji follow பண்றவங்க 78 volunteers. The march was 240 miles. 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometer. 1 mile 1.6 kilometer. So 240 miles from Gandhiji ashram Sabarmati. Sabarmati is in Gujarat. This is one of the map 1 mark. What is that? Map 1 mark. Sabarmati to the Gujarat coastal town of Tandi. Tandi also one of the map 1 mark. So the volunteer walked 24 days. How many days? 240 miles 24 days. Per day 16 kilometer. About 10 miles per day. 10 into 1.6 16 kilometer. So thousands came to hear Mahatma Gandhi wherever he stopped and he told them what he meant by Swaraj, Sudhantiram. Okay, and urged them to peacefully defy the British. On 6 April, he reached Dandi and ceremonially violated the law manufacturing salt boiling seawater. He is boiling the seawater and producing the salt. This marked the beginning of, this is the first civil disobedience movement. This is the first civil disobedience movement. How was the movement different from non-cooperation movement? We can learn. People were now asked not only refuse cooperation with the British as they had done 1921 to 22, but also break colonial law. They want to break the law. Thousands in different part of the country broke the salt law, manufactured salt, and demonstrated in front of government salt factory. Yeah, we are brave people. Okay, we are having more brave people. They have manufacturing the salt before the government salt factory. As the moment spread foreign cloth, after that, first salt, second one they are boycotted, they are not buying the foreign cloth. Next liquor shop, wine shop were broken. Next third one picketed. Okay, yes, they have stopped everything when they are coming. Peasants refused to pay revenue. They are not paying the revenue. And the next Chowkidari tax, the police. Okay, Chowkidari tax also cancelled. Village officials resigned. Village government officers were resigned their job in many places. Forest, yes, they have made forest law. The tribal people cannot go inside the forest, so they violated the law and going inside. They are doing all the work, herding, taking honey and plucking the medicinal plant and everything, going to reserved forest to collect wood and grass cattle. Okay, maad aadu madu meikiranga. Okay va. Yes, next, worried by the developments, the colonial government began arresting Congress leaders one by one. Yes, the British government worried about the violating law. Because of that, they are arresting Congress leaders. This led to violent clash of many places. Yes, when they are arresting the leader, the followers were making violent. When Abdul Kafur Khan, devout discipline of Mahatma Gandhi, was arrested in April 13, angry crowd demonstrated the street of Peshawar. Peshawar is now Pakistan. Before independent Pakistan, India, Bangladesh are the same country. Okay, so facing armed car and police firing. Okay, yes, many were killed a month later when Mahatma Gandhi himself arrested. Avare poite surrender arrested. So industrial workers in Sholapur attacked police post, municipal building, law court and railway station, all structures that symbolized British rule. A frightened government responded with a policy of brutal repression. So they have arrested all the people. They are making brutal, ரொம்ப கொடூரமாக அடித்து தாக்குறாங்க. ஸோ பீஸ்ஃபுல் சத்தியாகிரகிஸ் வேர் அட்டாக்டு. So many satyagrahis were attacked by the British government and children were beating. Children குழந்தைங்க கூட அடிக்கிறாங்க. And about 1 lakh people were arrested. More or less 1 lakh people were arrested. In such situation, Mahatma Gandhi once again decided to call off, cancel the civil disobedience movement. On the time he is making on impact. Impact means உடன்படிக்கை. Okay, on 5th March 1931 by this Gandhiji Irwin Pact. This is called Gandhiji Irwin Pact. 1 mark, 3 mark also. Gandhiji participate in second roundtable conference. First roundtable conference he is not participated. He was not participated, but now he want to participate in second roundtable conference. This is the impact. உடன்படிக்கை அப்படின்னு நான் கலந்துக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு கையெழுத்து போட்டு கொடுக்குறாரு.